Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a unique discount code to SMS here in Omnisend. Okay, it's actually pretty easy to do. Let's just go ahead and add an SMS block. Okay, right here under our automation, and this one will automatically generate and insert a unique code for each customer in their message. Okay, but we will have to do something. So click on this block. Now go to the right panel. Now scroll down and find, if you want to go ahead and use message personalization suggestions, you can go and click on unique discount code, and it will be included right here under the message text. Maybe hi, this is your discount code. Okay, and click on unique discount code right here. There you go. Now scroll down if you want to. You got to reuse unique discount code in this workflow. If not, just leave it. The discount type, it could be card or free shipping. Okay. You can go ahead and set the discount expiry right here. It could be 14 days or just 7 days. And expiry date format right here if you want to change it. Expiration text, expires on, leave it as is. Okay. The discount can be combined with product discount or order discount. So we have free shipping, so I'm going to go ahead and select order discount, and you can go ahead and add in some image if you want to as well. Okay, and after that, you're good to go. And here we have the preview of the message. Hi, this is your discount code, expires on this date, and so on. Okay, so just click on update, like so, save and close, or start the workflow. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.